Hi again, everyone. It's almost time for the kickoff. Al Michaels here to bring you this one with...
You have called heads. Is that correct? The 49ers call heads and have won the toss. They choose to receive.
They're lined up and ready for the kickoff, so let's go to the field for the start of the action. Janikowski in to kick this one off.
Number 11 to kick off. Number 84 and number 20.
He sends this one toward the end zone. Flag down.
Illegal kick out of bounds. Kicking team.
What have you heard, Melissa?
I had a chance to talk to the head coach during warm-ups. He told me he's had a few practices with full pads because he wanted his players to be more physical. They want to set the tone early. We'll have to see if those practices worked, Al.
That was Melissa Stark with her sideline report. The quarterback lines up with two backs behind him. Hurst looking for a seam. The 50. James takes him down at the 36-yard line. Hurst picks up good yardage on that play.
Yeah, he exploded through the line. Then he used some shifty moves to create some extra yardage.
So they have 1st and 10 here. Garcia gets set. Quick drop. Surveying the field. Throws it. Owens can't come up with it on that attempt. He waited just a little too long to get rid of that pass.
Getting pressure on the quarterback is the easiest way to disrupt a pass play. The defensive line should take full credit for that play.
2nd and 10. Ball on the 36-yard line. Steps up into the pocket. Garcia passes it right. He should have caught that one.
No receiver's perfect, so you'll even see the best ones drop a few. But the key word is a few.
So they dug themselves into a hole here, a long 3rd down situation. The 49ers line up with 3 wide receivers. Number 89 moves in motion. Looking to throw. Throws over to his right. Great catch. Romanowski makes the play at the 31-yard line. So he's unable to get the first after making the catch.
That play won't help their 3rd down conversion percentage today. I wonder what the receiver was thinking. Running a route that wasn't going to put him past the 1st down marker anyway.
He gets the kickoff. Splits the uprights and good.
Number 6 to kick off. Number 31 and number 42.
He sends it off. Taking the knee might have been the better option there.
You know, these guys come flying down the field so fast, and this time he ran right into one of those coverage guys.
It's 1st and 10. Ball on their own 18. 4 linemen and 3 linebackers lined up defensively. Dropping back with the throw. And he had it and lost it. Incomplete. Peterson with a nice tip.
Yeah, you can tell by the way that thing just popped up there for grabs.
Take 2nd down and 10 to go. Ball on their own 18. Gannon under center. He's going to throw. Rolling left. Looking for an option. Carter records the sack.
After you take a hit like that, you'll make sure to get the ball out of there faster next time.
Inside their own 20. The backs are lined up in an I. He's going to throw. Passing to his right. Hits his man with the pass. Couldn't get the ball past the 1st down marker.
I don't know why the receiver would break off that route and make the catch short of the 1st down. Maybe he thought that he'd be able to do more with it after he caught it.
4th and maybe 1. Ball on their own 27. Back to pass. stubble field. Showed great speed in getting to the quarterback there.
He got there and boom, he made himself a quarterback pancake.
So they have 1st and 10 here.
Roger, watch your man. Set. One back, watch the middle. Watch.
And gets the toss. Harris makes the stop at the 27-yard line. Good pursuit by the defense on that play.
Yeah, the defense has some quick linebackers and linemen. They seem to always move off their blocks well and in a position to make the tackle.
Johnson comes in motion. With the carry, Dixon makes the tackle at the 27-yard line. Not much on that play.
Yeah, you talk about a defensive line winning a battle, and this is what you mean. The running back gets to the line, and there's nowhere to go after that.
Set. One back. We're coming.
Looking to throw. Short pass. Hits the target with the pass. He didn't make it thanks to some great defensive work.
These guys know what they have to do on 3rd down. Seems like that call was just a give up.
Set.
And it's on its way. It's good. And so, John, the drive comes up a little shorter than they might have liked, but they still managed to come away with a field goal.
The key to winning is having your drives get some sort of points for your team. They got it done on that drive. And I'm sure they're thinking touchdown for their next one.
He gets the kick away.
This is where you want to respond quickly, or this could turn into a battle for field position.
The teams have switched sides, and we'll start the 2nd quarter. So they have 1st and 10 here. The quarterback lines up with 2 options behind him. He's looking to pass. Passing to his right, and he can't hang on. Brown drops it.
It's frustrating as a coach when you see a guy make a great one-handed catch and then drop the easy one.
Gannon under center. The Raiders use motion.
Got him.
Looking downfield. Passing right, and he hits his target. Parrish makes the tackle at the 44-yard line. So they have 1st and 10 here. They'll go with a pass. He surveys the field, throws it. Ritchie was the intended target. A great job to break up that pass.
Yeah, just stick your hand in there and whap it down.
Second and 10. Ball on their own 44. 4-man front this time. Back to pass. Gannon rolls out to his left. With the pass, it's broken up. A good pass, but no catch.
And the receiver dropped it. He was either thinking about the hit that was coming or the run after the pass. But you have to think about the catch first.
So they dug themselves into a hole here, a long 3rd down situation.
Set.
Looking to throw. With the pass, he hits his receiver. And it looks like this one will be spotted at the 24. He never hesitated on that pass.
This receiver can really do it all. He has speed, he runs great routes, and he can make catches on any kind of throw because he's got those great hands.
First and 10. 2 minutes to go. So they have 1st and 10 here. 4 linemen and 3 linebackers lined up defensively. He's looking to pass. Passing right. And it's caught. And a great throw for the touchdown.
Yeah, he threw that where only the receiver could get it.
Set. Hut.
Janikowski looks like he's just about ready to kick this one off.
Number 25 to receive.
He kicks it off. Trying to give them good field position.
This one is still anyone's game. If they're happy about being tied going into half, they'll probably just play it safe with a few runs.
It's 1st and 10. Ball on their own 17. The 49ers using motion. Hurst looking for room. He's out to the 30. And he's brought down at the 39-yard line. Good gain there and a first down.
If the defense keeps giving up runs like that for first downs, they'll have to make some adjustments to slow this guy down.
He's looking to pass. Gets rid of it. Hits his man with the pass. And he's brought down at the 41. He showed great leaping ability, going up and grabbing the pass.
Some of these guys have the skills to play other professional sports if they had wanted, and really a chance to show off when they do things like that.
He's going to throw. Garcia with the throw, and he fails to hang on to that one. I think he might have put a little too much on that one.
The quarterback tried to put that one through the receiver. As a defensive lineman, you love this, because you know they're going to be passing. So you don't worry about a play pass or a handoff or anything like that. You just rush the passer. Hey, don't think the quarterback doesn't know that, because he'll let the ball fly before he gets sacked by one of those guys.
It helps to have soft hands to bring in a hard throw like that one.
What a throw. He put everything he had into that one.
They're inside the 20.
Big play.
The 49ers line up with 4 wide receivers. Passes it out to the left. James records the stop at the 14. And he picks up about 4. 2nd and 5.
Timeout called by San Francisco. They have 2 timeouts remaining.
So it's 2nd down now.
And here's a chance for the offense to make their move. The defense could be sending a blitz, so I'd go with something to my running back. A swing pass or maybe even a screen. If they execute, they could put this one in the end zone.
4-man front this time, using motion. Hurst looking for room. Takes this one outside. And he stopped at the 10.
This is what you want to get from your running game. If he can keep this up, he'll end up with a career day. Time for the defense to play up tight and bump those receivers. If they do that, they can disrupt any short patterns that the quarterback is planning on throwing to.
They're down inside the 10. Lining up with their big set this time, using motion. Dropping back. Garcia throwing it to the left. And he's in for the touchdown. A nice job of letting his blockers set up, and then he just did the rest.
The line opened up some huge lanes for him to waltz right into the end zone.
Set.
The kick is up, and he tacks on the extra point. So they're now up by a touchdown. Kirby, he's back for the kickoff as we take a quick glance at his return numbers.
Number 6 to kick off. Number 31 and number 42.
He sends this one toward the end zone. Number 31 returns this kick. Well, the offense is back on the field again. Their last drive, they moved the ball very well, especially through the air on their way to a touchdown. We might see a quick pass here on first down. 1st and 10.
Set.
Back to pass. Gannon sends the pass away. Intercepted. They'll probably run it here because they still have a couple of timeouts.
The offense can show run, but go with a pass because they might get a favorable matchup.
It's 1st and 10. Ball on the 25-yard line.
Set. Hut.
Hurst on the carry. Showing good moves. And the defender brings him down at the 20-yard line.
I'm sure they'll have one of their receivers running near the sideline. And if they go to him, he's got to look upfield because he might be able to take it in for a score. But the defense thinks he's just going to run out of bounds.
Set.
They'll go with a pass. Surveying the field. Passes it out to the left. Great timing on that touchdown throw.
That was great vision by the quarterback. He looked the defense off his receiver and then turned and fired it to the open guy.
Set.
And it's up. The extra point attempt is good.
Is good. Number 6 to kick off. Number 31 and number 42.
He sends it off. The returner takes the ball and heads upfield. The defense did a nice job the last time around forcing the interception.
And here's where efficiency is the key. They're down right now, but if they score before the half, it'll really help them out. They just can't afford a turnover that gives the other team a chance to increase the lead.
Let's go to Melissa.
Well, Al, it doesn't look good. I spoke to the team doctor, and he indicated that it's the type of injury that will take some time to heal. They're hopeful that he won't be out long, but his return is limited.
Thanks, Melissa. Well, that's good news because on the replay, it looked a lot more serious than that. He'll probably miss the rest of the game.
Here's a spot we're trying to add to the lead before the half can backfire. All it takes is one mistake, and it could be the defense that's scoring. That's why the quarterback has to throw it hard to the sideline so that no one can jump the pass and pick it off.
Looking to throw. Throwing left. And it's caught. Dixon stops him at the 33-yard line.
The defense should be looking for a pass, even if they have a few timeouts. A run doesn't seem like a smart call because they should be trying to get within range of a touchdown right now, which means a pass would do the trick.
Four-man front this time. Garcia hands it off. Dixon takes him down at the 31. And that tackle gives him 3 in the game. And so the kicker ready to come out onto the field and try to put one through the uprights before halftime.
Number 6 in to attempt the field goal.
He needs good distance on this one.
The kick is no good.
So they have 1st and 10 here. Ball on their own 38.
Set.
They'll go with a pass. Gannon passes to his left. And he hits his target. And it looks like they'll mark it at the 46. It's the end of the second quarter with the score. San Francisco 20. Oakland 6. Let's get back to the play on the field. Here are the halftime stats as we get set for the second half kickoff. Baker is back and ready to put this one in the air. He gets the kick away. Brown will return this one. Still running. The Raiders take over on offense at the 22-yard line. Let's check in with Melissa.
Thanks, Al. The Raiders coach said that one of the reasons they're behind right now is because they were unable to establish the running game. He's not ready to give up on it, but he knows it's going to have to be his passing game that leads them back, Al.
Thanks, Melissa.
Set.
Number 91 reached the quarterback and brought him down. Second and 15.
Set.
He's going to throw. Rolls right. He's looking. Number 8 sends the pass away. And he's brought down at the 36. He put everything he had behind that throw.
That's one way to make sure your receiver doesn't drop the ball. You throw it so hard that he has to catch it in self-defense. Just put it right on.
It's 1st and 10.
Over there, over there. Roger, Roger, watch the man. Set.
Only one man in the backfield. Drops back. Rashid records the stop at the 39, and so they'll stay conservative and keep it on the ground.
Yeah, he didn't break that one for a big game, but he's doing what he can to help his team move the ball downfield.
About 6 to go. The quarterback gets set with only one back behind him. Drops back. Number 8 passing to the right. And he goes out of bounds at the 43-yard line. They dumped it off in the flat on that play.
On those short screens, you rely on the receiver to make the yardage to pick up the first.
3rd down and 3 coming up. Ball on their own 43.
Set.
Dropping back with the throw. Nice reception. And he's tackled at the 44. And so he's able to haul in that pass to record his first catch of the night. They're just about in field goal range.
Somebody get over there. Get over there. Set.
He's going to throw. Rolling right. Gets the pass off. And they're able to connect on that one. Rumpf stops him at the 15-yard line. So that tackle was his 3rd. So we have 1st and 10 here. Ball on the 15-yard line. They'll go from the I formation. Back to pass. Number 8 sends the pass away. Brigham was the intended target on that pass attempt. Rashid got a hand on it.
He just stayed with the coverage, and he got his hand right in there.
It's 2nd down and 10 to go. They'll go from the I formation. They'll go with a pass. Number 8 throws it over to his right. And he stopped at the 6. That pass was right on the money, and the receiver was there to make the catch for his first reception. 3rd and maybe 1. Ball on the 6-yard line.
Set. One back. Watch the middle.
Looking downfield. With the pass, he couldn't control it. Rashid got his hand up in time to tip it away.
Yeah, and all you have to do to make a guy miss is tip it so that the ball doesn't go where you expect it to go.
Janikowski looking to make a good kick here. And it's on its way. A nice kick, and it's good. And they're able to get some points out of the drive with a successful field goal attempt.
We give credit to the kicker there. It's nice to have a guy that can make your drive worth 3, even if you don't get it into the end zone every time.
Number 9 looks like he's just about ready to kick this one off. He kicks it off. Number 26 fields it cleanly. The 49ers will start the drive from the 19-yard line. It's 1st and 10. Ball on their own 19. And it looks like they'll mark it at the 20-yard line. Couldn't find much of a hole, and he's brought down after a gain of what looks like a couple.
Yeah, you talk about push. This line got no push at all, and there was nowhere to go.
2nd and 9 coming up here.
Don't let up. Don't let up. Set. Watch the run. Watch the run. Don't let up. Don't let up. Make it happen, Mike.
Barlett looking to turn it upfield. And it looks like they'll mark it at the 20-yard line. He was dropped before he could get back to the line.
Yeah, you can't run without good blocking.
It's 3rd down and 9 to go. Ball on their own 20.
Make it happen, D. Make it happen. Hut. 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 Let's not give him anything. Let's go. Let's go. Get in there. Hut. 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 Hey, hey, hey!
With the carry. Hills for room off tackle. Barton stops the play in the backfield. He was trying to get to the corner on that play, but couldn't pick up enough blocks.
That's great containment by the defense. They were all in the right position, and there was just no place for him to run.
Baker will come into this game to punt. Brown is back to receive this kick. 2 minutes left. Brown can't handle it. The Raiders grab the live ball. The defense is trying to force a turnover, which would put an end to this game right now. 1st and 10.
Over there!
Number 8, under center. He's looking to pass. He's looking. Number 91 was intent on getting to the quarterback on that play.
The quarterback needs to be decisive under pressure, and he needs to find his go-to guy if he feels that pressure coming.
It's 2nd down and 10 to go. Ball on the 41-yard line. 4-man front this time. Dropping back, passing to his right, and he drops the pass. Number 8 looked a little uncomfortable in the pocket there.
It was an easy pass. How in the heck did he miss it?
It's 3rd down and 10 to go. Ball on the 41-yard line.
Watch the pass! Watch the pass!
Set.
Watch him!
They'll go with a pass. Throwing. And this pass is completed. The receiver did a good job bringing that pass in.
You can't have a great catch without a pretty good pass, and they had both on that play.
It's 1st and 10. Ball on the 29-yard line.
Set.
He's going to throw. With the throw, he hits his receiver. Crockett makes a catch, his first of the day. Down inside the 15.
Set.
Looking to throw. Gets the pass off, and this pass is completed. He delivered that pass right on time, perfectly for the touchdown.
The quarterback went through his progressions and found a receiver that he thought had the best chance to haul it in for the score.
And with that score, the momentum has shifted.
Set.
The kick is up. The point after is good. Number 9 is just about ready to kick this one away.
Number 84 to receive.
He sends this one toward the end zone. Flag down. Not a good kick, and it'll cost him.
Kicking the ball out of bounds like that gives the offense instant field position. When the kicker allows that to happen, it always confuses me. I think their best bet here is to run it with a simple handoff. You just never know what could happen on a toss play.
Swift, the motion man. With the carry. Armstrong with the stop at the 43. That run didn't get them much.
Yeah, there was a defender in every gap ready to make the tackle on that play.
And we should see them run out the clock here on 2nd down to seal it. They need 7. Ball on their own 43. 4 linemen and 3 linebackers lined up defensively.
Wide. Let's not not give him anything. Let's go. Let's go.
That'll wrap this one up, and the final score is San Francisco 20, Oakland 16. A reminder to join us next week for another high-powered matchup. Stay tuned now for your late local news, or on the West Coast, your normal programming. This has been a presentation of EA Sports. I'm Al Michaels, and for our entire crew, good night.